In this video, I'm going to look at how to increase an amount by a percentage. Now, there are three steps to follow. First, add your percentage to 100. Convert the percentage into a decimal by dividing by 100 to get your decimal multiplier, and then multiply the amount by your decimal multiplier. What I mean here is, I'll use this example to show you what I mean by those statements. So the first step that you need to do here is, this is percentage increase. You're going to add your percentage to 100. So we'll end up with 100% plus 28%, which will give you 128%, and that will give you 1.28. Now remember, the idea behind this is this. We always start from 100%. Remember, 100% means a whole. Okay? Now, if you're increasing something by a certain percentage, you're basically adding that percentage to 100%. You start from a whole, all right? Which in this case is 100%. So if you increase by 28%, you're basically adding 28% to 100. Okay? And the answer that you get here is what we call the decimal multiplier. So this is what we call the decimal multiplier. And you're going to use the decimal multiplier to get the new amount. All right. So basically, remember you're increasing $520 by 28%. So the new amount will be 520 multiplied by the decimal multiplier, which is 1.28. Now, if you plug that in your calculator, you'll end up with $665.6. Okay, I'll work out the next question using the same method. So remember, the first step is add your percentage to 100. You are adding because this is percentage increase. Remember, you always start from a whole. If you're increasing by 65%, you're adding 65% to 100%. So you start the 100% plus 65%, which is 165%, which will give us 1.65. So that is our decimal multiplier. And then the next step will be the figure that we are increasing, which is $8.4 multiplied by 1.65. Plug that in your calculator and you should be able to end up with $13.86. Okay? In this video, I'm going to look at how to decrease an amount by a percentage. So again, just like, increasing an amount by a percentage, we follow the same steps. But remember here, because you're decreasing, that means you're going to subtract that percentage from 100%. Remember, we always start from 100%. 100% represents a whole, all right? So if you want to decrease an amount by a percentage, the first step is you subtract your percentage from 100%. So basically we'll do 100% minus 28%, which will give us 72%, and 72% will be equal to 0.72. Now this is our decimal multiplier. Okay, this is our decimal multiplier, and we use the decimal multiplier to get the new amount. So basically the new amount will be, because what you're decreasing here is $520, so 520 multiplied by 0.72, which gives you 374. These are actually dollars. 374.4 Okay, second example. Same process. Start by subtracting your percentage from 100%. So 100% minus 65%, which will give us 35%, 0.35. Now that is our decimal multiplier. So to get the new amount, we are going to multiply what we are decreasing, which is 8.4, multiplied by 0.35. And what you end up with is $2.94.